Hey folks, Mr. Phil with you. I am here today to try my Alabama Hot Sauce Sriracha Pickled Dill Pepper Condiment. And there's no better place to try it than a good old fresh beef hamburger. So I'm here at Cookout. I'm going to give this thing a try. Believe me, it's delicious. Anyway, hang with me. Let's take a look at my taste test. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I have a product that I've made for several years for the farmer's market only, and it's called Sriracha Fermented Dill Pickles. Now, I've never offered this for sale on my website. It's usually a market-only thing. This is made sort of a unique way. I begin by crinkle-cutting the cucumbers, and then I ferment them for 4 days. Now, fermenting is just conditioning them in salt and water, along with the pickles. A chemical reaction happens, and they begin to turn into sour pickles. But I pull it after about 4 days. I then pickle these in the traditional pickling way with vinegar and pickling spices. And then I drown them with my Alabama Hot Sauce Sriracha sauce. So this is a pretty unique product, amazingly delicious. And I'm here today to try this out at one of my favorite takeout restaurants called Cookouts in downtown Florence. And I've asked them to prepare me one of their giant double burgers, completely plain. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it with my Sriracha Fermented Dill Pickles. Now, I like Cookout because they use fresh meat. It's not frozen, stamped out patty. It's from their factory. And this is a absolutely beautiful burger. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out a very generous amount of this Sriracha Fermented Dill Pickles. Now, I will tell you, this is a very hot sauce. It is Sriracha hot. And my Sriracha sauce is maybe a little hotter than some. It's made the traditional way that the original Hufong Sriracha sauce was made. And this combination of products is absolutely amazing. So let's see here. I got a pretty good load of this stuff on my hamburger. And I'm going to put it back together and I'm going to give it a bite. Now, this is going to be messy, but like any Southern boy, I got my sweet tea sitting here beside me. So you'll see me go into that on occasion. And you'll see how good this thing looks. Now, let me go in here for my first bite. Oh, man. Normally on a hamburger, we put all kinds of things. I wanted to really taste the meat and these Sriracha Fermented Pickles. So I had to make it plain. Pardon me. This has a combination sour dill taste, which is what you'd expect of pickles done both ways. The most amazing thing is these Cookout burgers are fabulous. They're made from fresh meat, patted out right here in the restaurant. It is unbelievably good. Their bread is fresh. Everything about this is great. This is tart. It is loaded with spices. I use pickling spices that would have been available in my grandmother's time, so I use some things a little different than what people use modernly. So it's kind of an old-style pickle taste. It's really, really good. The Sriracha makes a gigantic difference. I'm telling you, if you eat a hamburger like this, you need to put on your bib because this is messy, but it's good messy. Unbelievable. I'm a Southern boy, so we love hamburgers. I could eat this every day, to be honest with you. I love the taste of grilled meat. I love high quality burger meat. You don't get high quality burger meat much anymore at grocery stores, but this is the premium stuff. And of course, like every Southerner, I absolutely love my sweet tea. Anyway, folks, here we are at Cookout trying Sriracha Dill Pickled condiment on a hamburger, and I have to tell you, it's absolutely wonderful. One more bite. I can't tell you how good this is. You need to go over to my website and grab you a jar or two of it because it is unbelievable. Folks, I want to thank you for joining me. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. At the end, I have an end screen to this video that will show you some more videos I recommend you watch. I hope you watch them. I hope you become a regular on my channel. And once again, Mr. Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. I'll see you next time. Hey folks, Mr. Phil here with you. Thank you for watching this video. I've made some suggestions for other videos I think you might like. Click them and see what you think. And while you're there, push the logo and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.